Here he is. Here's my snowblower I converted from my gravel driveway. I made my own plow and used some metal struts used for electrical purposes, and I made this frame using just bolts. So the new engine, 6.5 horse, and here's the plow. The snowblower unit also has tire chains on it, and I used a winch to control the plow. I can angle it to the left or to the right, and I have on the sides too, I have some straps that I can pull if I just want to keep it left or right as well. But typically from the middle, I can pivot there's one center bolt there that holds that plow frame onto the snowblower unit, and it works great. You just have to keep up with it. Every several inches I plow it. That way it doesn't build up too much to push it. And I have a long driveway. It goes downhill. As you can see, the bankings I made from the last storm we had.
Okay, I want to test your phone etiquette. I'm going to pretend
So,
on you. Okay, I'm going to test your phone etiquette.
Okay.
Tell me about you. I'll tell you about you. What's your biggest secret? What's your biggest secret?
I think that
Minus chocolate.
minus chocolate.
What's your greatest strength?
What's your greatest strength? Taking more turns.
Minus chocolate.
Minus chocolate. Chocolate, rolling it out.
Don't talk about chocolate.
Don't talk about chocolate.
Too much for me. Too much. 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 Too much.